The analysis for your 9th October examination. Now here we had most of the questions from research which were very predictive. One of the questions was on manipulation. So research manipulation and the concepts of manipulation, examples and applications become important. Then you have evaluation. Now the types of evaluation, formative and summative, as we have already said, a very important topic and has been always asked. IRA ranking was asked this time. We have covered this elaborately on our sessions. E-Shod Sindhu, again we have covered it in detail on the channel. Then you had National Student Startup Policy. So National Student Startup Policy was another important question. Smart India Hackathon was another important question that was asked. Triangulation method in research was asked. So what is a triangulation method in research was important. Then which of the ancient universities are located on the river? So universities and the nearby rivers have been important. Again, this question was in relation to Nalanda Takshila, as it always have been. The focus has been extensively on our ancient universities. I repeat again, so do not miss our class on ancient universities, a very important topic this time. Sustainable development goals, again there was a predicted and 100% one question that was there. Now number of binary in a binary digit that was given, how many bits are there, was asked to be calculated. Similarly, what is penta in a computing system, what is volatile and non-volatile memory. So volatile and non-volatile memories was asked. Similarly, there were questions related to CBCS, so choice based credit system. Again we have covered that elaborately in one of our videos, so I request you to go back and check down the CBCS system. The grading under CBCS system was something that is very important and can be probably asked again for your next set of examinations. Also, in the sections on Indian logic, we have found that the pramans have been important and Upaman was asked this time. So, basic examples and the basic concepts is something that you need to remember. The very introductory class that we have taken on praman would be more than sufficient to answer questions like that. And again, moods and figures is important for your next examination. Even if the topics have not been asked in this examination, we can easily understand what kind of topics you need to cover. So mood and figure, basics to logic is something that you must cover for your next upcoming examination. Also, network of innovation club was another important question that was asked. So these are the recent topics that we have covered in our editions and the latest updates of the videos, and many more are yet to come for those upcoming for those who are appearing for your exams in the month of November. Stay tuned for many more updates from our side. Have a wonderful day ahead.